Everybody, in this video we are going to learn some more about variables by doing some math calculations. So we will take some simple examples. So for example, we are creating a calculation for some results, so we can add public int and that student have some subjects like math, and then we can assign these value. So we'll make it 65. So he has 65 numbers in math, and then he has two more subjects. So he has one more subject is science, and we will make it science, and the last subject he has English. So now we want total numbers. We want total numbers again. So for that purpose we can also add another variable public, and we don't need float in this case, so we can put integer, and we will say total numbers, and we can assign these numbers 0 value initially, no problem. And we can we also, if we want, we can't add any value here, okay, and that is absolutely fine. So here we want to add these numbers, so we will just write total numbers equal to math plus science plus English. So that's it, we have added total numbers. So if we want to see the result in, then we can write debug.log, and then we can write here and then we can append it with total numbers. Okay, so that's very nice, very easy calculation. And then if we want to make an average, then what we can do, we can just debug.log, or first we will make an average. So we just add a average variable here, and we name it float because it can be in decimal numbers. So we'll write here total numbers and divided by 3 because we have 3 subjects, so it's very easy to get average. And then we will just add this thing here again, and we will say average and here we will assign the average. So let's see it in console. Okay, so we have played the game, and now you can see total number 191 and average is 63. So that's nice, we have applied some math functions in this example. Okay, let's move little further. For example, we have a property, and we want we have a commission for that property as well that we have given to our broker. So we want total property value. So let's add property value as it is integer, and we can make it 50,000 maybe, and then we have a commission. So commission can be in decimals, so we want a commission of for example, we have given commission of 20% to our broker. So okay, just we will write a commission and we will make it 20.0 F. okay, so this is our commission. So we need total value of the property, so let's make a total value and we will initialize it with 0 F. This is also a float value, so we'll add 0f initial value. We can describe the initial value or we can make it blank as well. Okay, in start function now we will make total value. So total value equal to, now we will first, sorry, before total value we will make the commission. Okay, so we will say commission paid, and then we will calculate the commission first. Okay, because we want to make it 0.2%. okay, we have given 0.2% commission. So what we will do, we will add commission. So for that, first we will write property value and multiply by, now we will add the commission. So for commission we have the commission value, commission divided by 100 F. okay, so this is the formula for getting the commission. Now because we want this calculation initially and then we will add this, we will multiply this with this value, so we will make brackets here. So you know this math operators, so this calculation will be done first and then this calculation will happen. So now in total value we will add property value plus commission paid. Okay, so I think now you have got me, and now we can debug these things. And commission paid and plus we will append it with commission paid. Okay, and then we can just copy this line and we will make it duplicate, and total value we will make it total value. Okay, so now we will test this in editor. Okay, so now you can see that commission paid 10,000 and total value 60,000. Okay, so that's great. So as these are the public variables, we can change the commission value at any time and the property value as well, and then we can calculate get the newer values as well by playing the game again. So that's great. Now you can see that we have commission 15,000 and total value 65,000. That's great. Okay, that's it, and we have learned a little bit more about variables in this video. In next video we will move to next section. Goodbye.